Hello children, today we are learning the subject English of Standard 6. Now let's start. Today's topic is I love to help in the kitchen. Children, let's see page number 26 in textbook. Observe this picture and tell me what you see in this picture. Yes, a basket of vegetables and a tomato in boy's hand. The boy says that I clean or wash fruit and vegetables. Repeat after me. I clean or wash fruit and vegetables. Cleaning and washing is the simple activity in the kitchen. Children, now look at the next picture carefully. What is the boy doing? Yes, he is peeling the cucumber. I can peel cucumbers. Repeat after me. I can peel cucumbers. In the kitchen, we are also peeling carrots, potatoes, or beetroot. Tell me, what is the boy doing in this picture? Yes, he is cutting with knife. He says that I am good at slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. Repeat after me. I am good at slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. Slicing and chopping is the different process. In the first picture, a person is cutting cucumber. He is making slices of cucumber. Cutting and slicing are same words and having same meaning. Now look at the next picture. The person is making very small pieces of cucumber. That is, he is chopping cucumber. Children, repeat after me. Cutting or slicing. Cutting or slicing. Chopping. Chopping. Now observe this picture. The girl is sitting with cat and doing some work. I help mother in cleaning grains and cereals. Repeat after me. I help mother in cleaning grains and cereals. Children, now look at these two pictures and tell the name of pictures. First is cereals and second is grains. Cereals means trunadhane in Marathi, and there are many types of grains, that is rice, wheat, bajra, jwar, etc. In this picture, the girl is looking very happy with doing this work. I like sifting grain and flour. I like sifting grain and flour. The girl is very happy to sifting the flour. Look at the picture. The boy is very happy with this work. What is he doing? Yes, he is shelling the peas and also eat them. I love to shell and eat peas and green gram. I can shell beans and peanuts. Repeat the sentences. I love to shell and eat peas and green gram. I can shell beans and peanuts. In the first bowl, there is full of green gram, and in the second bowl is full of peanuts. Look at next picture. The boy is very happy with this work. He is churning. It's fun to churn and at the end you get buttermilk. It's fun to churn and at the end you get buttermilk. In the first picture, the person is doing the activity of churn. Now name the second picture. Yes, it is buttermilk. And third picture is instrument commonly used to make buttermilk. These instruments are commonly used in our home and available in our home. You see this? Yes. I read these words and you repeat after me. Churn, churn, buttermilk, buttermilk. Instrument commonly used, instrument commonly used. Now observe this picture. In front of boy, there are many dishes. I can prepare a few simple dishes. Salads, peanut laddu. I can prepare a few simple dishes. Salads, peanut laddu. Now look at these two pictures. First picture is of salads. Salads means the mixture of many vegetables or fruits. And second picture is peanut laddus. Do you like peanut laddus? Yes, you like it. Now look at this picture and observe this picture and tell me what is the girl doing? Yes, the girl is making chapatis. Now tell me, is the girl happy or sad or tired? Yes, the girl is looking tired. The girl is helping her mother in kitchen to make chapatis, and in this work he get tired. But it's not easy work. It takes a lot of practice. It's not so easy to make a dough and roll out puris or chapatis. It's not so easy to make a dough and roll out puris or chapatis. Now look at these pictures and observe this picture and tell me what is this? The first picture name is dough. It makes from wheat flour. And look at second picture. We are called them puris or chapatis. Now repeat after me. Dough, dough, puris or chapatis, puris or chapatis. Today we learned the different types of activities in this lesson. We revise them. Cleaning, washing, peeling, slicing, cutting, chopping, cleaning grains, sifting, shelling, churning, preparing simple dishes, making puris or chapatis or bhakris. Thank you for watching this video.